Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Move With Us app is and how it is positioned. The Move With Us app is a fitness and wellness platform designed to help users follow structured workout programs, guided training plans, and lifestyle routines, based on its official app listing and program information. It is positioned as a guided fitness coaching system that focuses on structured movement, consistency, and home or gym-based workout routines. The app allows users to access workout programs designed around specific fitness goals. It also provides step-by-step training guidance to help users complete exercises correctly. Users can track their progress over time and stay consistent with their fitness routine. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee fitness results or physical outcomes, which can vary based on individual effort, consistency, and lifestyle. The app may include structured programs, video-based coaching, and progression plans depending on subscription access. It is mainly intended for users who want guided workout routines instead of creating their own fitness plans. Some features may depend on subscription level, device compatibility, and internet access, which could limit functionality. This could affect access to full training programs or advanced coaching content. For users who want structured fitness guidance and workout planning, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on personal fitness goals and discipline. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.